you want to. It's all in the soft palate, and then the air's going out of the nasal.
There.
You seem too much. You don't have to say it at the same time as me.
Sorry.
You can just like it's sort of like you hear
I'm
it,
nervous.
and then you try it. It's fine. You're doing great.
You're very talented.
You got the part.
I know.
You got the part,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be having this much any longer.
longer.
Okay, you see how you're trying to throw it, but don't throw it, swallow it.
A nude model can't help but talk to the class about their scars.
Hi, everybody. Oh, this? Yeah, it's a skin graft. I was in northern Thailand, bit of a moped incident. I was going to a waterfall. I got a little slick. Yeah. Thai hospitals. That's why it's a different color, you know?
Jacob Wysocki.
Stop it. Stop. Bad boy.
And opening up the door. Jake.
Thanks for having me.
A pencil sharpener that gets off on being fed pencils.
Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming? Oh, yeah. Go slow, babe. Hope that was as good for you as it was for me. You want to stick in the back? Yeah, I'll eat your eraser. Then all of a sudden, a pod of porpoises, they come through and they're saying, "What's good, my dude?"
Jake, you still happy to be here?
So far, my opinion on being here hasn't changed.
Sunday, you want to relax? Well, guess what? It's possible!
Zach.
Ricky.
Ricky's a pretty good name for that dog, I'm not gonna lie.
Thank you.
Is the name of that dog?
No, that's my buzzer sound.
Got it.
Yeah.
What's the name of that dog?
Zac Oyama.
Jake.
A police officer.
That is really good, Jake. Zach.
Shart.
Shart?
A bit of a oopsie nature to
Yeah,
him.
pretty good name for that dog. Kimia.
I don't mean to do this, but I do think that dog's name is Shart.
Listen, when you're right, right? Jake.
I gotta back my boy up. That's Shart as hell. That's Shart for sure. That dog is Shart.
Jake.
Don't know his name, but I know he's swanging. That dog's swanging.
That's a swanging dog.
So you're saying that dog has a big dick?
He's hogged out. That's one of those dogs you see him walking, and you're like, that's a human-sized cock.
Yeah.
See, I tried to leave it with just swanging.
I felt like there was some confusion I wanted to clarify.
Yeah. Are we clear?
If anything,
Do you feel clear on it?
Yeah.
I feel clear.
No
on-
question, I
can
think that
see
dog's
it,
got a big cock.
Because it's a small dog, but most of its body is its wang. I get it.
You know what Jake's talking about, right?
Tweet me. Send me a picture of your dog's hog.
What's your Twitter handle?
At Jacob Wysocki.
At Jacob Wysocki.
Sick shit!
Nice one!
You played great!
Want to come over later?
I'll bring tapas!
Yes!
Are you a red
Yeah!
or white
What?
wine
Oh!
person?
Red!
Great!
Cool!
Kiss!
Kiss! Kiss! Kiss! Yeah! See you later then, yeah?
Okay, cool. Good game.
We're gonna get some Gundam from here, please.
I'm dressed as a Gundam. I'm dressed as a Gundam.
I'm also a condom.
Not a condom, a Gundam.
Oh no.
2 condoms and a Gundam here.
Only fun size.
You don't got any of the good stuff?
Don't worry, we've got 3 sets of teeth, so we're covered.
Confidently going to the wrong podium, it's Jacob Wysocki.
Hey, Sam. Just going to my normal spot.
And trying to explain to a stranger that they have the wrong podium, it's Vic Michaelis. What's up,
Hey, how you
Vic?
doing? Hey.
Hi,
Hey.
Little amuse-bouche, if you will.
I still don't know what an amuse-bouche is.
It amuses your bouche.
Now I get it.
Jake,
All right.
happy to be here.
Let me just say,
Yeah.
I'm happy to be here.
Light blue. Light blue, you know, we're in the middle.
Can I help you?
Well, you're getting close in a way that I think I might get hiya.
You're teaching some classes. The little ninjas is what they call them, the preschoolers.
What's up, fuckers? I'm Craig. Shit. Hey, God, can I get that pick? Transform, guitar. Thank you so much. Don't forget, I'm playing for children's rights.
Oh, mac and cheese. My mom.
My dish. It is, unfortunately, my right hand. I wanted to make a nice chili verde omelet for you guys, but as I was cutting the pork, I had a bit of a whoopsie. And I thought, this is a moment for me to improvise. So, munch on my hand, finger each. Now you're gonna take something in the back and you're gonna go, what's that? And unfortunately, it is my foot. Bow to me. Bow to me.
Who's the spoonman?
You are the spoonman.
Who's the spoonman?
The spoonman. Mr. Mayonnaise for no mayo.
Hey, welcome to the Deli, sweetheart. What can I make for you, okay?
Sorry, I work right around the corner. I keep seeing this.
Oh, you
store.
never been here?
No, but
This is Mr. Mayonnaise's mansion. The best sandwiches this side of where we are.
Okay. Well, I work at corporate right next door. Not corporate here.
Oh,
corporate.
D corporate?
Yeah, Adidas corporate.
Big bucks
Yeah.
over, yeah. Okay, I'm sure you'll be getting extra meat, Mrs. Corporate.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, I'll do the double ham. Can I send the lettuce for spinach?
Oh, of course, yes.
Great. And then I think I'm gonna do mustard for sure.
Oh, right, nice.
And I'll do the vinegar and the olive oil.
Mm-hmm.
And I think
Okay.
that's
Are you sure?
good sauce.
Are you sure that's it?
I'll get the mayo.
That a girl, that's my girl, come on.
Oh, you know what? Actually, take the spinach off. That's fine.
Great.
And you can just do the
Nice.
lettuce and then the mayo off, and then
Okay.
I think that's good.
That last part?
Yep. Is that a gun?
Hey, listen, hey, no, it's locked. That's not gonna
There's no
work in
reception.
here.
I'm gonna cut this off there. You kids looking to have some fun?
Me and my brother?
Yeah. I'm also Batman. Who do we have here?
Julie.
Julie.
Yeah.
Do you guys like building sandcastles? I love it. Well, come with me to my sandcastle.
Okay.
Now, you're just gonna take the sand and you're just gonna build it up.
Build it up.
Build it up.
Oh no, I dropped my pen. You keep building the sandcastle.
Thanks, Julie. Oops. Oops.
I'm so clumsy. Oops.
Batman, yes. Why did you choose to have nipples on your suit?
I just like the feel of them.
Nice.
Thank you.
Tell me a little bit about your sandcastle.
My sandcastle is a tower.
My sandcastle's also a tower.
My sandcastle did 9/11.
1 million! Boo, boo, beep, beep! Do I hear 151515? He's on the phone. He's gonna get the phone. He's gonna get the phone. He's got enough boo, boo, beep, beep to raise his hand again. We got 1, 2, 1, 2. Gonna get 1, 3. Gonna get 1, 3. 1, 4, boo, boo, beep, beep. We're gonna get 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. We got the pee pee. She got no pee pee. She got no pee pee. She got no poo poo. She got the pee pee. 1, 7, 1, 7, 1, 7, 7. 1, 2 million. Boo, boo, he's on the phone. He's gonna get the phone. He's gonna get 2 million. We're right here. 1, 9, 1, 9, 1, 9. Go once, twice. Sold for 1.7 poo poo pee pee. The beautiful cow is yours.
Blacked out. Was it funny?
Skip it on me.
Ponte fa, vete schiente molto. Sì, forget me. Pente salto to fassi per i sereggio.
Standing ovation. Standing ovation. Flowers at your feet.
This is why you go to the opera.
What I want to know is, what is this translated to?
You said at one point, she fucking to me.
She fucking me. I don't remember saying that at all. Damn, son.
Damn, son?
That's the buzzer.
Last time it was, yeah.
I'd love to answer the question.
Yes.
Naughties. Damn, son.
Damn, son.
Sprinkle cherry.
One more time.
And a sprinkle cherry.
Oh, that's pretty good, Jake.
I forgot you speak
like
fluent
that a lot.
Italian.
I am an
This
Italian
is unfair.
man. Yeah, yeah,
Little bubbles in there? Big bubbles?
Now it starts to creak. It starts to creak. And here's the big fall.
Man cave?
It's gotta be me. They gotta be me.
It's him. It's him. Oh my God, what happened to our home?
Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, doo 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 doo. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh no! Doo 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 doo. Bing bong, bing bong, bong, bang bang. One.
Sorry about this one, Jake.
Nothing better than a sorry before it even comes up on screen.
Jake, we're all the way back at you.
How exciting.
There's so much tension.
One-upping the person in front of you's grief at the casket.
How long did you know? How long did you know him? 9 years? Oh, yeah. We go way back.
It's hard to think about how far back we go. When you start to add up the time, it's just like multiple spans of 9 years. You know what I mean? It's like 9 years, 9. How are you guys? How are you guys connected? The wife. Hey, I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a really good day. Impossible for me.
If it could talk, stock photos edition. Basically how this works, players, is I am going to show you a series of stock photos that, generally speaking, are a touch unusual, the most unusual I could find on our stock photo library. I am going to ask you to buzz in with a pitch for what that stock photo would sound like if it spontaneously sprung to life.
I can't help but notice that there's no watermarks on any of these, which means you paid the license. And I just have to say, I do think there's a world where nobody would bat an eye if it just said Shutterstock or whatever across it. I don't know.
We paid for full commercial licenses for all of these so that we can use them in perpetuity throughout the universe.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, wow, wow.
I know this isn't the game, but I'm gonna pitch the amount of money that it's embarrassing that you paid for this film.
Yeah.
$42 or more. Embarrassing.
Cocky little freak. I think it's more of a subscription-based model. I think you're probably paying like $150 a month to have access to a library.
I'm just gonna buzz in without even buzzing in. I think that's just Sam's photo. That's just him. He poses for all of these.
And the winner for accuracy is Jake.
Yeah.
Next one.
Cocky little freak.
Jacob.
I can't believe that we've been stooped to such a level where we have to DoorDash groceries for common fare.
You know what? Jake, points for accuracy.
If you were curious if I can do accents, yes. Can I keep them? No.
Chicken dance amount of points. If men called each other daddy instead of dude.
You want another beer?
Yeah, daddy. My daddy. Hey, daddy, what are we doing tonight?
Well, I mean, I was thinking, we could, it's pregame here a little bit longer, and then, let's
Are
go
the other
on.
daddies coming?
Oh, all the daddies are coming tonight.
Daddy night.
Daddy night.
Daddy, can I be serious with you
I was
for a
just gonna
second?
do the same.
Well, I feel like we haven't connected in a second, and it's like I need a little bit of a daddy down.
Yeah, just like daddy to daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's close enough to like daddy-o that it doesn't feel like immediately pornographic.
That was my band in college.
Was what?
Immediately pornographic. I'm ready to walk.
Leopard mauls Florida man who paid $150 for full contact experience at backyard zoo.
Hey, man, just to let you know, full contact experience, that means that she's gonna fuck you up.
All right, I'm all in.
sure?
Open her up.
Just
Open
go
her
ahead.
up, man.
Just
Open
sign
her up.
this, sign
and
this.
oh yeah.
All right.
Oh, she is
And
pretty.
I want this, she is not eating.
Okay.
She has
all right,
never
this is-
eaten.
this is my dream. I love y'all. I'm going in. This is amazing. I love it. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna open her up.
Hey, and just one last thing, my phone lines do not work.
Okay. All right.
No service, no.
Oh, I love it. Oh, yeah.
And I'll buzz you out.
150 is a fucking deal.
Florida man busted after tantrum about bacon.
I'm so sorry, sir. I mean, we can get you another piece. It's all right.
Give me all of the bacon.
No, it's just a bit of a shortage, so we just don't have none.
Yeah, I just
Give
have.
me
Holy
God.
shit.
Okay.
Oh.
Jesus.
all of the bacon.
All right, everyone start giving the bacon. Everyone
Everybody
get your
get
bacon
the
over.
bacon.
Everyone get your bacon
Get
out
the
the
bacon.
tables. I'm so sorry, sir.
Listen, if you can just calm down, all right, and just look me in the eyes, all right, and just calm, and she didn't know I had one too.
Clever girl.
Stamp, 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 stamp. I'm just gonna leave your check whenever you're ready.
And I would just like to get away.
Hey, man, you did come into my space with your energy.
right.
You didn't try to match
You're
it at
right.
all.
You're right.
Right?
Right?
I'm understanding that you're an emergency.
That's right.
Unfortunately, I don't give a fuck.
Okay. Yes.
Jake.
Hi.
Lauren. Sleep paralysis demons in the break room.
All right, so I was laying on this guy's chest, right? And they just look at me in the eye, right? And I was like, I'm not moving. You can't breathe, bro.
Dude, I've been terrorizing this little girl. She's like 10 years old, like one of the youngest sleepers to ever get sleep paralysis. I swear to God, she's crying, but she can't freaking move, dude. Yeah.
On the ceiling? That's so you, bro.
Ring footage of a package thief. It's Jacob Wysocki. And looking for the package that was just delivered, it's Lou Wilson. With a massage gun. Jacob, a wedding's worst man speech.
Excuse me! You didn't think I'd show up. Well, I've been drinking 99 bananas in my rental car for 2 hours working up the courage. Matt, you didn't invite me. Even though we were playground buddies, middle school friends, high school friends, and college enemies. Matthew, 1,000 years of beautiful marriage. Patricia, you fucking know why I'm here. Tell him about the voicemail you left me a week ago. What are you?
Hey, I'll take this one.
It's $3,200.
Yeah, yeah, I got it. Fuck you.
Have a nice day.
And he ascends directly into the sky. Incredible.
7 5/8 points for you.
And I know that's a hat size because I, at one point in my dark life, wore fedoras.
Damn.
Would it be
Yes.
rude if I said doesn't surprise me?
Now, that's what I call. In this case, the category is sex. How this works, players, is I'm going to give you a location. You buzz in and pitch to me the nickname for sex in that location. First up, a nunnery.
Do a barrel roll. That's my buzzer sound.
Oh, that's your buzzer
That's my
sound.
buzzer sound,
Thank
yeah.
you, Jake.
Yeah,
Thanks
yeah,
for
yeah.
distinguishing. Yeah.
For sure. Spectacles, testicles, and that's it.
Spectacles, testicles,
and
that's it.
Do a barrel roll.
Jake?
You can take a horse to water, but you can't make him fuck.
I like that a lot, Jake. Top of the corporate ladder.
Do a barrel roll.
Jake?
Making copies.
Oh! Copies of oneself.
Yeah, DNA copies.
Oh, hell yeah, Jake.
Yes, yes, yes,
Wow. An insane reaction to the barber showing you the back of your head in the mirror.
Are you digging it? It's a still frame from a Studio Ghibli movie. You like it? It's when Totoro's in the rain with the umbrella. Do you like that? Oh! So you must love it.
It's fucking incredible.
Hit me one more time.
Cool.
Yeah. How much do you like it?
I fucking love
Yeah,
it.
you like it?
It's the
Yeah,
best
yeah,
haircut
yeah,
I've ever fucking had.
Look, if you want to touch up, I'll give it to you for free in a week.
Okay, great.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, because I think this is my personality
Yeah,
now.
if it starts to fade or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start walking backwards places straight up. Love you, brother.
I love you too, brother.
Love you, brother.
I love you, brother.
I love you.
Discreetly paying tribute to the Illuminati, it's Jacob Wysocki.
Wow, season 3, what a true honor. It is so nice to see everybody. How's everybody doing out there, huh?
You'd be crazy to say no.
No!
Your line is, keep the change, you filthy animal. Brennan, we'll start with you, no direction. Take it away whenever you're ready.
Keep the change, you filthy animal.
Was that really?
That's my neutral. Is that bad?
Jake, give me a little bit more.
Keep the change, you filthy animals.
Lou, give me a little bit more.
Listen here. Keep the change, you filthy animals.
Take your breath. Keep the change, you filthy animal. Like it's the secret code to a speakeasy.
Keep the change, you filthy animal.
Like it's code for I'm DTF.
Yeah, keep the change. Keep the change, you filthy animal. Whatever you want.
WWE entrance line.
About $8,000 worth of pyrotechnics.
Keep the change, you filthy animal. Yeah.
Do you guys feel like we're gonna lose? Jacob knows a secret spot on my neck.
It calms him down.
It's
like a virtual woosah.
Making a sandwich, making a sandwich, making a sandwich.
Jacob,
One quick sip.
you may need it. Tonight's DJ set, Prospector Bugaboo's Electric Jamboree.
I'm warming up. You got that good gold. You got that good gold. And don't forget, you're at Bugaboo's Electric Jamboree. Giddy on my big one. Giddy on my big one. Big. Lady. Beep it up, bump it up, bump it. Beep it up, bump it up, beep it up. Beep it up, bump it. Where's your claim? Chinese guys selling shovels.
I like that a lot, Jake.
I jumped in on
Way
the
to
jug.
go.
That was great. That was
I jumped
great.
in on the jug.
I think that was perfect.
Yeah. Players, I am going to give you a series of locations, contexts, regions, if you will. You buzz in and let me know what masturbation is called, a nickname for it, in said location. Does that make sense?
Nasty, so nasty.
First off, Portland, Oregon.
Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Again, that's my buzzer sound.
Oh my
That
God,
is not.
Jake.
Of course, now I will say what it is.
Yes.
It's the city of bridges, which of course I mean is a frenulum. Portland orgasm.
Next up, a dorm shower.
Jake. The fungus ruckus.
A sperm bank. Jacob.
A whale of a good time.
Back in your grandpa's day.
In my wheelhouse.
Jacob.
World War Me. I needed an inspiration. though.
It also
inspired that.
It's also because it implies that this guy's having a really hard time. I'm gonna need about a whole day to get this job done.
Self-love can be a battlefield of its own.
Priest's confessional. Yeah.
Jake. Guilty pleasure.
Ooh, elegant. Jane Goodall's field notes.
Wait, this prompt is asking us in Jane Goodall's field notes
Yes.
how she describes masturbation.
Yeah, that's correct.
I love this prompt. I don't have one coming to me immediately, but I'm like, what would, no, shit, no.
This is canon. This is on the record. This is on the record. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The first elimination from Make Some Noise. You can no longer play. Get in your
Lou.
car and go home.
I'm so sorry. So sorry, man. I'm so sorry, Lou.
Wow.
Hey, thank you so much, Sam.
Yeah,
Appreciate
you
the
too,
opportunity.
man. Here's the wild thing. Lou isn't allowed on any dropout projects anymore.
Oh, until he
Ever.
fights his way back to the tournament at the end of the year.
Yeah, I heard that.
Sick.
I heard.
Ooh.
Shit.
Jake.
We observe the young teen monkeys peeling their bananas.
Damn.
Hey, this is for you, Jane.
Thinking about your girl?
Yeah, dude.
You guys from Brooklyn's fight turned meet cute.
Hey, man. The guy said you're gone. That's it. You and your friends.
I fucking basically live there.
Oh, yeah, you're there.
I'm fucking living there, basically.
Then why does Nicole not know who you fucking are? She bartends.
She's brand fucking new.
Oh,
all right?
come on,
And she
man.
lives in Staten
Because you're
Island.
fucking handsome. You can
Why
do whatever
you
you want.
Yeah, I can. I got a leather jacket, the studs on it, and my boots are made of snakes.
Mr. Big Dick.
Yeah.
Mr. Big Beautiful Dick.
Yes, it's huge. Could you handle it?
There's only one way to find out, motherfucker.
I like the way you fucking smell. You smell like that shit whales make.
Ambergris, baby boy.
Did you go to college?
Little bit. You have a fire in your heart, and it burns bright, and it motivates great passions. And life is nothing without its great passions.
You know, this is really awesome, but the tough thing is I'm actually moving to Los Angeles tomorrow.
I don't know if I even believe in love.
I've never felt this way in my entire life.
My entire life.
I've only felt like coal in a microwave.
And if all we have is tonight, I got a bag of Coke in my jacket.
I got poppers in mine.
Never seen a cleaner Brennan setup than that stuff that whales make.
Uber, but on horseback.
Oh. Are you Kevin?
For Brian?
Okay, yeah, it says Bronco. Do you mind if I put my hand on your shoulder?
Absolutely not. That's the only way up.
Thank you.
You're not allergic to shit, are you?
Allergic to shit?
Yeah, are you allergic to shit or hay?
No, I don't have any shit or hay
Then hold on
allergies.
tight, baby.
Is this new?
No, it's very, very old.
Oh.
Four-way stop. I hate these.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead. So what are you doing tonight?
I'm going on a first date with a girl. We met on Hinge. Do you know Hinge?
I think so. It's what goes in the door.
It's a dating app, but yeah, she's in tag.
Well, if it goes wrong, I could hang outside and you could signal me with smoke. And I could rush in and say, kind of save the date if it's going bad.
Is that extra or is that all?
Hold on.
Oh,
sorry,
shit.
I gotta put some gas
dizzy.
in the engine.
I'm not gonna get charged for this, am I?
Well, it depends what the app says. I make no fucking money on this. By the time I pay for carrots and the time I get my leather condition, I'm actually losing money doing this.
Yeah, totally, dude.
So a tip would be awesome.
Hey, I'm just gonna kind of put on headphones if that's okay.
I will cut you off there.
I'm at the window.
Oh, yeah, of course. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Sorry.
Hey, I've got some wet wipes here.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, keep them.
Hey, I got some wet wipes.
I'm bad. I'm gonna pray for the plane. Dear God, just get everybody where they're going safe, and if anything bad happens, let me and everyone else survive.
I'm gonna pack these paper straws full of cayenne powder and go spray it in babies' faces.
Hey, would anyone like a pre-flight drink? Soda, water?
I have my own bottle of rubbing alcohol.
Okay, and
I heard it was your birthday.
It is.
Here, I carry chocolates around just in case it's somebody's birthday. It's from Sweden. It's a family thing.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Do you guys like Gavin DeGraw?
I don't want to be
anything other than what I've been trying to be lately.
Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to put on headphones.
I have an extra pair.
What if I do this? Somewhere up there in those seats.
Hey, I will cut this on. That sounds like a good last beat to me. What parents imagine happens to a bully when you say the sticks and stones thing?
Hey, where's my lunch money, huh?
You little squid. Go back to the ocean, you little squid. Hey, I'm gonna give you one opportunity to apologize.
You're not gonna give me anything but your lunch money, squid, or I'm gonna put you down the toilet so that you get a little bit of that water that you love so much.
Sticks and stones may break my bones, and I will break yours! Stay in your blood and drown!
When are we gonna learn about dinosaurs?
Jesus Christ! Full telekinesis! Oh my God!
I blacked out.
Points equal to the amount of times words have hurt me. To the both of you.
Did he never tell you how he actually got that scar?
No,
Chorizo Joe kicked him as hard as he could. Right in the head.
Grandpa, who is Chorizo Joe?
Goddamn! Goddamn! Is it too late to pay my respects? Oh, Chorizo, you slimy son of a bitch.
Chorizo, this is Paul's son, David.
Hey, it's nice to meet you.
Your dad was one of them.
Your dad was one of them?
What is this on my hand?
Chorizo!
This is a minigame we like to call Vent It Out. How it works as players. I am going to give each of you something to rant and rave about.
Ooh, Sam.
I'm gonna call on each of you by name. You are only allowed to rant and rave when it is your turn. Your rant and rave must pick up exactly where your fellow players' rant and rave left off. That pets die.
We gotta figure this out, guys. We gotta figure this out. My heart is gigantic, and I am eager to give it to so many things. Yet, as long as we continue to allow pets to die,
Stop, and Jacob.
I won't rest. We need to get to the bottom of it. I don't want humans to live longer. Let's stop oncological studies. Let's stop it. Let's get pets living longer because the heart
and Brennan.
Of a pet is the heart of a family. And our understanding of purpose and meaning in life is not rooted in a selfish, hedonistic first-person perspective. It's rooted in meaning. Where does meaning come from? Our connection to the living things around us. By having a cat,
Blue,
or a dog, I am investing all of my life's worth and meaning into that vessel. All right? And you're telling me that it just breaks after 10 years? Build a better box. Okay?
we will move on. Men don't get flowers.
Y'all know I'm upset. Y'all know I'm mad. I'm tired of watches. I'm tired of tie clips.
Stop, Brennan.
I'm 36 years old. I promise you, I got the things I need for myself. What I don't have are perishable, consumable things that in their ephemeralness give beauty to my life. Would it kill you to get me a fucking bouquet? I just want to feel...
Stop, Jacob.
something.
Anything. And I don't want it to be when I'm gone in a casket. I want to know it now. And I'm not playing games.
Stop.
I get to
the mountaintop. I've been there. I see what they have. And what I want is something small.
Stop, Brennan.
As small as a daisy. As small as a peony. As small as...
Stop, Jacob.
my mental health.
And I will cut this up there. Last one, Brennan, that Daniel Day-Lewis is so choosy about his role.
I guess it would have been awesome for Michelangelo to be like, oh, I can't do the Sistine Chapel. I have to be in the west of Ireland fucking jerking off. Make more movies, dog. Fucking do it. You're so talented. I think about Bill the Butcher every day. And you're out here being like, well, as an actor.
Lou.
I have to be particular. There are only so many rules. Fuck that! I want you to be in the Guardians of the Galaxy. I want you to be Rocket Raccoon.
Jacob.
Ryan Reynolds, gone. John Cena, gone. The guy who voiced Mario, whose name I won't say because he's that bad, gone.
Stop. Brennan.
I know you were great in Phantom Thread. I can't watch it because it doesn't have fucking swords in it. If you had been Aragorn, if you had been fucking Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Stop, Jacob.
I would watch. I'd tune in, but instead, I'm not getting Disney Plus, okay? I'm out. Do I have a dropout subscription? No. If Daniel Day-Lewis was here, I'd be paying 6 hot ones a month.
Divorced dad tries to get the kids excited about his new houseboat.
Who wants it?
80 of us.
Any one of us. Everyone knows. It's like, look. It's like, here's a slice of cake. Who wants the first bite?
Maybe you should rock, paper, scissors for it.
Winner
Rock,
gets
paper,
the
scissors,
divorced
shoot.
dad.
Yeah.
Winner gets it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, we both. So
Okay,
both
so
wrap-
Jake's out.
Jake's out.
Fuck! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Bam.
Divorced dad.
Friend's dad. Oh, dad.
Come on.
Hey, all right. All right. Who's ready for summer vacation? Now, I don't have any life jackets, so you're gonna hold my hand.
Why does it smell like salt and dead fish?
Are we going fishing? That's
Oh,
fun.
you don't want the fish in this harbor, no. Kiddos. The Anna Marie, she's a worthy vessel, all right?
This funeral home is run like a New York City deli.
Come on up.
Yep.
Who died?
Grandpa,
Cremated or coffin?
can we do coffin?
Satin silk.
Satin?
Buried Greenwood or outside the city?
Shit. Which one do you recommend this time of year?
Just move to the side real quick and just think
sorry
about
about that.
it over
Yeah,
here.
okay.
Okay, the next guy. Hey, who died?
Hey, howdy, I'm visiting from Texas. Never been to New York City before. But
Who died?
a lot of people died this year. Been a tough year. My aunt, she passed away. She fell down a well. She fell down a well.
Okay, you doing cremate, you doing burial?
She wanted to be turned into a tree.
Okay, move over side.
Okay.
This guy here.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, what's up,
Hey,
man?
what's
What's up,
up?
boss?
You know,
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, what's going on? I mean, yeah, we just do the number 2. We'll make it quick, you know?
Yeah, I got to real quick too. You want the Elon Musk?
Yep.
Yeah, there we go.
Hey, thank you. Perfect.
Let me do.
Thank you, brother.
We also do sandwiches. Oh, what we got here?
We got a fresh one.
Yeah, all left. I can do this right now.
Yeah.
I know. I got it.
I was gonna take it downstairs.
I know. We got to lock it from the outside because I got to keep going. You know what the fuck?
You telling me that people are coming in? It's gonna. What is it?
I think I know. I want to do Greenwood. Let's do Greenwood.
Get him a Greenwood. He got a Greenwood. I got to go to
thank you so much.
Greenwood.
I don't know if people are asking you how you doing.
You know me. I can't complain.
Unfucking real.
Wow!
Congratulations! You are all the recipients of the coveted golden ear.
We're all gonna have to move into the same house.
Yes! That does it for us here at Make Some Noise. Tune in next time for more of the Game Samer. I'm Sam Reich, and that sounds pretty good to me. Good night.